All right, be honest. Are you watching this video instead of doing something important? It's okay. I am here to help you. Because what if I told you that procrastination isn't about being lazy? Nope. It's actually your brain trying to protect you. Kinda sweet, right? Also, super annoying. Let me show you how to beat it, for real this time, using stupidly simple tricks that actually work. Part 1. Your brain thinks you're in danger when you avoid something, like studying, cleaning the house, or starting that thing that could make you successful but needs a lot of work. It's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain thinks the task equals stress equals danger. So instead of doing it, your brain's like, hey, you know what's not stressful? Watching that Netflix series that you have been watching last 3 days nonstop. Thanks, brain. Part 2. Motivation is a scam waiting to feel motivated before doing the thing. Bad news, motivation is unreliable. It shows up like your internet during a thunderstorm, random and useless. Real talk, you don't need motivation. You need momentum. Start first. The motivation will catch up after you begin. Part 3. Use the 5-minute rule. This trick actually works. Ready? Tell yourself, I'll just do it for 5 minutes. No pressure, just 5. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain stops freaking out. And chances are, you'll keep going. And if not, you still did 5 more minutes than before. That's a win. Part 4. Shrink the task until it's laughable. Don't say, I'm going to write my essay. Say, I'll write few sentences. Don't say, I'm going to clean my room. Say, I'll just clean one part of it at a time. Make it so small your brain goes, ugh, fine, whatever. Small steps equals big momentum. That's the cheat code. Part 5. Done. Perfect perfectionism is just procrastination in a fancy outfit. You wait to do it perfectly and end up doing nothing. So give yourself permission to do it badly. Messy action still moves you forward. Ugly progress. Beautiful ideas sitting in your head. Let's be real. Procrastination isn't a character flaw. It's just your brain trying to protect you by sabotaging you. Here's how to win. Start before you're ready. Keep it small and silly. Forget perfect. Now pause this video. Do literally one tiny thing you've been avoiding. Then come back and comment, I did it. Let's break the loop. One tiny step at a time. You got this. For real this time.